This is going to be a video tutorial on how to check how much RAM or memory your PC is using in Windows 11. Let me jump over to my desktop here. Okay, to check how much memory or RAM that your PC is using, first thing you want to do is go down to your taskbar down here, and you want to right click on the start icon here. I'm going to right click on it, and then you want to go up to Task Manager, and you want to click on Task Manager. In the dialog box that opens up here, this is the Task Manager. I am under the Processes tab up here, and under that tab, the second column over, Memory. It tells me that I'm using 43% of my available memory, and in this column it'll give you detailed stats on what software is using your memory. Like the very top one here, Adobe Illustrator is using 1079.8 megabytes of my memory. Camtasia is using 742.5 megabytes of my memory, and so on. Another thing you can check, you can click on the Performance tab here, and this will even give you more detailed stats on your memory. You want to click on the second tab down here, Memory. It tells me that I'm using 43% of my memory. Up here at the top right, it tells me I have 32 gigabytes of memory available. I have 31.8 gigabytes available. This is a little graph here that shows your memory usage. Down here at the bottom, it gives you all kinds of other stats about your memory. It tells me my memory speed is 2,667 megahertz. The number of slots I have used. My computer has 4 memory slots. I'm using 4 of 4. The form factor, DIMM, hardware reserve, 226 megabytes. It gives you all kinds of stats on your memory. But that is how you find out how much memory or RAM that you are using in Windows 11. Thanks for watching.